Hi students, welcome to third standard science class video session, lesson 4, parts of a plant. In today's session, we are going to learn more detail about the part, the leaf. The leaf is called the food factory of a plant because it prepares the plant's food by the process of photosynthesis. For that, it uses the green pigment called chlorophyll that is present in the leaf. The stomata are the tiny holes or pores that is present on the surface of the leaf. Let us learn more detail in this session.
In this video, we are going to learn one of the parts of a plant, the leaf, in detail. Most of the plants have green leaves. Why the leaves are green in color? Because they contain the green pigment called chlorophyll. They are of different shapes and size. Dear children, in this slide, you look at the leaves of some different plants and trees. They are different shapes and sizes. Here you see the leaf of apple tree, maple tree, oak tree, birch, viburnum, linden, palm, sea buckthorn, elm, rowan, poplar, ash tree, aspen, chestnut, lilac and willow. Next, we are going to learn the anatomy of a leaf, which means the parts of a leaf. The leaf is above ground plant organ and it is green. Its main function are photosynthesis and gas exchange. The leaf is often flat, so it absorbs the most light and thin, so that the sunlight can get to the chloroplast in the cells. Leaves come in many shapes and sizes. A leaf is made of many layers that are sandwiched between two layers of tough cells called epidermis. The epidermis also secretes a waxy substance called the cuticle. These layers protect the leaf from insects, bacteria, and other pests. Basic leaf features in flowering plants include the leaf blade, petiole, and stipules. Blade is the broad portion of a leaf. Apex, that is the leaf tip. Margin, the leaf edge, boundary area. Margins can be smooth, jagged, lobed or parted. Veins, it's a vascular tissue bundles that supports the leaf and transport nutrients. Midrib, central main vein arising from secondary veins. The base, area of the leaf that connects the blade to the petiole. Petiole, the thin stalk that attaches the leaves to the stem. Stipules, leaf-like structure at the leaf base. Next, let us learn some of the function of a leaf are as follows. The green leaves of a plant prepare food for the whole plant in the presence of air, water and sunlight. The green color of the leaf is due to the presence of chlorophyll. This helps the plant in preparing its food. The process of making food by plants is called photosynthesis. So, a leaf is called the food factory of a plant. Next, let us learn what is stomata and learn its function. Stomata are the tiny holes present on the surface of the leaf. Why it's need because the leaves also help the plant to breathe. They have tiny holes called stomata through which they take in carbon dioxide from the air and give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Children, plant leaves help to sustain life on earth as they generate food for both plant and animal life. The leaf is the site of photosynthesis in plants. Photosynthesis is the process of observing energy from sunlight and using it to produce food in the form of sugars. Leaves make it possible for plants to fulfill their role as a primary producer in food chain. Not only do leaves make food, but they also generate oxygen during photosynthesis and are major contributors to the cycle of carbon and oxygen in the environment. Leaves are a part of the plant shoot system, which also includes stem and flowers. There are three main tissues found in leaves: the epidermis, the mesophyll, as well as vascular tissues. Each tissue type is composed of layers of cells. The arrangement of leaves on a stem is known as phyllotaxy. Leaves can be classified as either alternate, spiral, opposite, or whole. There are three basic types of leaf arrangements found in trees and shrubs. They are alternate, opposite, and whole. In an alternate leaf arrangement, there is one leaf per plant node and they are alternate side. The second type of leaf arrangement is opposite. On these trees and shrubs, two leaves arises from the same node on opposite side of the stem. When a tree or shrubs has whole leaf arrangement, there are at least 3 leaves at each node.
I hope you all got clear information about the leaf. Thank you, children.